So, yesterday I finished up some cleaning and some finished work. Right down there I have from the inside, from the outside and into the bus. And this one is going on to the robot. And this is going to be out of the robot. And I also cleaned up a bit. Here is the temperature inside right now, 20.2. And a lot of equipment is gone. And there is the dog. Hey! So here I am again. Just came out of the shower, looking fresh. Hehe. So today I'm going to go back in the bagage, fix some connections and wires. This is the temperature outside. Not bad. It has been raining the whole night almost, so the grass grows very fast right now. And I cut 2 days ago, and now I have to do it soon again. Everlasting story. So this is the hello from me on this Friday. You are welcome to subscribe to the channel and click like. Comment if you want. Bye bye from me here in Costa del Scotter.